Hi everyone, welcome to my video. In today's video we are going to prepare aloe vera oil. Aloe vera oil. Aloe vera contains enzymes that help repair skin cells and the scalp. It creates a healthy environment for hair growth. It's also moisturizing. It's highly moisturizing and can deeply moisturize your hair, making it look softer, shinier, and more manageable to pack and style. Aloe vera also helps restore the natural pH level of your scalp. It's very crucial. This pH level is crucial because it helps prevent dryness. If your pH level is high, too high, or too low, it causes dryness. I just got this beautiful mint leaf from my garden, my little garden. So I'm gonna wash it now and add it to the oil. It gave my oil a very natural color. So here I've finished. I'm gonna blend them together. This is the quantity of aloe vera I'm using. You use based on the quantity you want. And the oil I'm gonna add, I just eyeball it. I didn't use a particular measurement. I've even forgotten that it wasn't videoing until I want to just top up the oil with this one. So just add the quantity of oil that you didn't fit for the quantity of aloe vera you use. There are numerous benefits of aloe vera. We just said a few. Then for mint leaf contains menthol. It helps to increase blood flow to the scalp, ensuring that nutrients are delivered to the scalp. Nutrients and oxygen are delivered to hair follicles to promote hair growth. It also contains antifungal properties and antimicrobial properties, which in all helps to ensure that the scalp is not infected, doesn't have an infection. It prevents the scalp from being infected, with all these lice, dandruff, and what have you. So you put it on fire on a low heat and continue to turn it until you see the separation, the oil begin to separate well, and the residue, the aloe vera, is now settling and thickening, coming together. So after that, when the aloe vera has started changing color to like brownish kind of, you now know that its dew is ready for you to bring it down. As you can see from here, it is ready, so I'm gonna bring it down. I didn't have time to filter it that day, so I even kept it for it to cool down, hoping to come back, but because of time, so I allowed it the whole day till the next day. By then it has even settled down very well, so I now filter the oil out. Here is our final product. Just look at how beautiful this oil looks. Nature, nature. Green is nature. I love this color. This is the first time I'm doing the oil, making the oil with mint and aloe vera, and the color is so beautiful. Imagine how beautiful it will be on your hair. Wow, I'm loving this. You can apply this oil on your scalp, even on your skin, on your face. Just a little. Little is more.